Hello my dear students. Today from last class 7.8 we will continue with one more question, that is question number 5. Okay, that is question number 5. Minus 1 to 1 e raised to x dx. Here exponential with exponential powers. So how we can solve with limit as sum. Okay. So we know the formula how we will solve this, that is limit h tends to 0, h into we have f of a plus f of a plus h plus etc. plus we have f of a plus n minus 1 into h, right? So first of all we have to find all these terms. For that what we have to do? First thing, we can write what is a to b, right? A is minus 1, b is 1, b minus a, which is nh we need to take, that is b minus a. B is what? 1, that is 1 minus minus will become plus 1, right? That is 2, 1 plus 1 2, nh is here 2. Then each term find out, that is f of a. A is what? Minus 1. That is f of minus 1. Okay, here f of x is what? E raised to x. In the place of x, put minus 1. That's all first term. Then similarly, second term, a plus h. A is what? Minus 1 plus h. Okay. That is e raised to, in the place of x, substitute what is inside the bracket. Then one more term we can write a plus 2h. Here I haven't written, you can write if you want a plus 2h, a plus 3h, etc. Last term, okay. Here f of minus 1 plus 2h, right? That is e raised to minus 1 plus 2h. Finally, etc. you can write the last term. A plus n minus 1 into h. That is f of a is what? Minus 1 plus n minus 1 into h. Right. That is e to the power we have minus 1 plus n minus 1 into h. Okay. So these are the terms we can substitute in the place of f of a plus h, etc. These terms just to substitute. Okay. So on substituting the terms what we already calculated, that is e raised to 1 f of a, e raised to minus 1 plus h, f of a plus h, e raised to minus 1 plus 2h, next term, then last term. Okay. Now, here, if we take e raised to 1 is common in all terms, right? So limit h tends to 0, h into, if we take e raised to minus 1 outside, then remains what? Here 1 plus. From here if e raised to minus 1 if we take outside means, this you can write it as how? E raised to minus 1 plus h can be written as e raised to minus 1 into e raised to h. Right. That means if we take e raised to 1 outside, what will remain? E raised to h. That is e raised to h. Plus here what will remain? E raised to 2h. Plus etc. plus here will remain e raised to n minus 1 into h. Okay. And what we can see here, this is a progression, right? So here what is the formula that we have already studied for this, that is for GP, right? That is a into r raised to n minus 1 by r minus 1. Here a is what? The first term. First term is a. R means the common ratio. What? It will increment. It will increment with what? E raised to h it is incrementing, right? So here r raised to n is what? R is what? Here e raised to h. Next term it is coming e raised to 2h. That is incrementing again one more e raised to h. So here r is e raised to h. So a is 1, r is e raised to h. Just to give this in this formula, okay, that is a limit. We have h tends to 0, h into e raised to 1 is already there. For this GP, we can substitute this formula. A is what? 1. 1 into, in the place of R, e raised to h. Whole raised to n. That means it is get multiplied, right? So nh you can write. Then minus 1. Whole divided by, again R is what? E raised to h minus 1. Clear? This is the formula we got here. Now take h inside and simplify. So, there is this section, you remember, limit h tends to 0 if e raised to h minus 1 by h. This is actually the value is 1. If this combination half is there, right? Numerator is there, denominator is not there. But there is a h outside. If we put h by means it is same meaning, right? That is, I will show it. That is, limit h tends to 0. We are taking h inside. Okay. E raised to 1 is already there. The first term is e raised to nh minus 1. If this h we took here, it will be numerator, right? Denominator we have e raised to h minus 1. If we take this h here, same meaning, right? This will again go up. It can be written here also. So this term is what? 1. The value is 1. E raised to h minus 1 by h. That is what? 1. So this much portion is now the value is 1. Then this limit also has gone with this form. Then what remains? E raised to 1 into nh is what? B minus a. That is 2 we already got. Then just to simplify, final, that is e raised to 1 into e raised to 2 minus e raised to minus 1, right? Just to take e raised to 1 minus 1 inside. That is, this will get added up. So what? E raised to 1, 2 minus 1, 1 minus e raised to minus 1. Okay, this is the answer. Okay. So similar way you can solve the exercise 7.8. Then today we will start with exercise 7.9. Okay. So you can try out the other problems in 7.8, which is in similar way. Okay, apply the formula, calculate each terms. Then what the formula is you can apply just to simplify it. Okay. The next exercise 7.9 we can start. Okay. That is the first question. From first question we will do the exercise 7.9. First question. Okay. Let us given as limit minus 1 to 1 x plus 1 dx. This we have to integrate first. Then apply the limit. Applying limit condition, you know, upper limit minus lower limit. Okay. So how you will do? First, on integrating this x, you will get x square by 2. Right, x raised to n integral x raised to n plus 1 by n plus 1. Here, 1 power is the 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 1, 2. Okay. Plus 1 integral x. Then, apply the limit. Upper limit minus lower limit. So, first upper limit. 1 you have to apply for this x and this x. That is 1 square by 2, 1. Plus for x 1. So we have applied upper limit. Minus apply lower limit. Minus 1 square by 2 is again 1 by 2. Here minus x, in the place x we have minus 1. So 1 by 2 plus 1 which is 3 by 2 minus half minus 1 minus half, right? Yeah, in bracket you can write first if you want minus half. Opening the bracket 3 by 2 minus minus plus 1 by 2 which is 4 by 2, that is 2. 2 will be the answer. Okay. Easy, right? The next problem. So the next one, second one is given as integral 2 to 3. It is given as what? 1 by x. Okay. 1 by x dx. 1 by x integral is what? Log x. So just write log x. X is the, sorry. That is log 3 minus log 2. log a minus log b, that is log a by b, right? Log 3 by 2, okay. Similarly, third question, okay. Yeah, third question also, 1 to 2, 4x cube minus 5x square plus 6x plus 9 dx. Okay, this each term you have to integrate. That is first term, split it and integrate. That is first term integrating. X cube means x raised to 4 by 4. Then this, for this x term, just to give limit. Okay, 4 you can cancel. Yeah, now cancel, or on further simplification you can do. The next term 5 into, on integrating x cube by 3 within the limit 1 to 2. Split it up and integrate, that's all. Okay. Next x square by 2 will come within the limit 1 to 2. Last 9x will come within the limit 1 to 2. Apply upper limit minus lower limit. Okay. That is, here we have 2 raised to 4, right? Minus 1 raised to 4, 1. 4 you get cancel. Okay, here minus 5 by 3 you can take outside. Only for x apply the limit. That is, here 2 cube minus 1. Okay. Plus here we have 6 by 2, 3. Within this we have 2 square minus 1. Plus 9, 2 minus 1. Okay. This you can simplify and write. Okay, just mathematical simplification. Take the cube, just subtract it, multiply it. Finally, you will get 64 by 3. Okay, fine. Then next question. Fourth one is here 0 to pi by 4 we have sine 2x dx. Okay, how you will do? Sine 2x means cos 2x, right? On integrating it is cos 2x but minus cos 2x. On integrating 2x again by 2 will come. Okay. So within the limit 0 to pi by 4. This 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 take outside. Apply limit only for x. Okay. That is cos 2 into upper limit is what? Pi by 4 minus cos 2 into lower limit 0. Okay. So what you will get? Minus 1 by 2 cos pi by 2 minus cos 0. That is minus 1 by 2, pi by 2 is what? 0. Cos 0 is 1. Minus minus will become plus. That is plus half. Okay. Clear, I think. So this way continue practicing exercise 7.9. Just integration as similar what we have studied. Apply limit, that is upper limit minus lower limit. In simplification part, be careful. So keep practicing more problems, then you will get more easy to solve problems. So we will continue next class. Bye.